Hey, welcome back to American Guy in Pattaya. What I'm trying to do, or what I'd like to do, is give you a view of pretty much all the major Soy is street in Thai, in Pattaya, or at least in the central Pattaya area where most people stay. So this is Soy 7 by day, and I'll come back tonight and we can do a nighttime as well. So you can get kind of whatever you want here. Anything from a haircut to a facial massage to whatever. Pretty much anything you want here. You can get a massage from a big boobed lady. Hello, how are you? So 200 baht for a basic massage, 300 baht for an oil massage. All kinds of stuff here. There's hotels, there's little kiosks where you can get whatever it is. You can Bangkok. Yes, you can. Just about anything you want. This is kind of a more quiet Soy where you've got bars, you got a massage parlor every 25 feet. Risa Massage is a chain. There are a lot of them around here. One of the nicer hotels here. But this is kind of a quiet Soy, if you will. And if that's what you're looking for and you don't want the craziness of Soy 6 or of Walking Street, this is kind of one of the places. And then they've got these little offshoot alleys down here where, you know, you can get stuff done. Hi there. Everybody's so friendly. And you've got this right here. And You Be Me Bar and Restaurant. Well, this is a basic beer bar. This is kind of what Pattaya had been famous for. It's just the beer bar, where it's just an outside bar, a pool table, some girls hanging out for company, and relatively cheap, cold beer. So this is a beer bar. This is really kind of basic. It's just a bar, some pool tables, Australian guys, average at best looking girls, and you know, again, there's something here for everybody. If that's what you want, you know, you just want an average nice person, the Ozone Bar. Hi. Aom's Beer Bar, Boone's Bar, Heaven Bar. They're all here. They're all a whole bunch of beer bars. These are just cool places to hang out. There's no pressure. There's no stress. If you want to take something home with you, you can. If you don't, no harm, no foul. You can always buy the lady a drink. By the way, lady drinks typically cost about double what you're gonna pay for a regular beer. And that's because the lady gets a commission on the drink. So we're coming down on Beach Road here. And again, this is Soy 7. Just low-key, older beer bars. And this is where a lot of the bar girls go. Hi. This is where a lot of the bar girls go after they've kind of aged out at some of the nicer places, because everybody wants the 23-year-old and not many people want the 43-year-old. So it's just the way it goes. Ageism is alive and well everywhere. No, this is not Donald Trump. Anyways, this is Soy 7 by day. I'll come back at night and show you what it's like. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. See ya.